Hi, I'm Josh Cleaver of Princess Motor Yacht Sales, and today I'm on board a stunning Princess Y72 in Swanwick Marina, and we are on board this boat to talk about shared ownership and our YachtQuarters shared ownership opportunity for 2027. So what we're going to do in this video is take a little whistle-stop tour of the boat, but we're really going to focus on the experience and what YachtQuarters can bring you as an owner. So come on through. The Y72 offers the perfect platform for extended cruising on board for you and your friends and family. To my right, or on the port side of the vessel, we have the private entrance to the owner's cabin. Makes it lovely and secluded, a real quiet space to be on board for the owner. And then in the center of the vessel, you have the staircase that leads down to your 3 guest cabins. You have a VIP, and then your port and starboard cabin can be twins or converted to double. So that's 8 guests on board, and with YachtQuarters, you have 2 dedicated full-time crew whose quarters are located at the aft of the vessel. Now those crew are on board to take care of all of your needs as an owner. They can assist with the passage planning. We're going to be pre-provisioning the vessel for you, so when you arrive, you're handed the glass of champagne, the boat's fueled up, and we're ready to go and make the most of the time that you have on board. Now, as well as your full-time crew, you also have a dedicated yacht manager, and they're there to take care of absolutely everything when it comes to the maintenance of this vessel, so that when you step on board, it's truly a home from home, feels like your boat, and is absolutely immaculate at the start of the program and then at the end of the 4.5 years. They'll take care of your winter yard periods, your engine services, the insurance, the berthing contracts, the teams we have come on board and clean the boat in between your uses. This is truly about enjoyment for the owners. This is about maximizing that precious time that you get to take off and to unwind. And speaking of that, while you're on board, it's not just one location. The boat doesn't sit in Mallorca for 4.5 years. We have an incredible Mediterranean cruising schedule that sees Mallorca, south of France and the south of Italy all explored within that 4.5 years ownership. Now, we have relocated to the flybridge as this is such a standout area on board this vessel, and definitely a space that you and your guests will be enjoying on those long Mediterranean summer days. So let's talk about the cost of ownership for a share in this Princess Y72. Well, to buy this boat new would cost you about £4.3 million, excluding the VAT. A 1/8 share will cost you £560,000, excluding the VAT, and the running costs are £49,990 per year. Now that 1/8 share will get you 5 weeks use per year on the boat. That's 4 weeks cruising and 1 week hotel use where the boat sits in the marina during the off-peak season. Your cruising weeks though, which are the most important, you get 1 to pick in either March or November, you get 2 to pick in April, May, June, September or October, and a week to pick in the peak season of July or August. And you can actually put 2 of those weeks together and have some extended cruising on board, and owners are able to buy shares to suit their usage needs. If you want 1, 2, 3 months on board, you simply buy more shares and you can use all that time together. The share price though, that doesn't just cover the boat. There is a whole list of extras that come with it. You've got a Williams 395 jet tender, you've got the water toy pack that we will have on board, which will have stand-up paddleboards, towables for the tender, snorkeling kits. All the safety kit will be included, everything you need from towels, sheets to enjoy the vessel. And more importantly, we also put an extended warranty on the vessel, which covers it for the duration of the program. Now, the running costs for the vessel will be £49,990, and again, that is in pounds. They cover all the fixed elements involved with running this vessel. That's your home berth, the salaries for both the crew, your cleaning, your maintenance, your insurance, pretty much everything apart from the fuel, food and drink that you use while on board, and that is simply charged as an individual cost to each owner. Now, those are the costs, but let's talk about the experience. Across the 4.5 years, we have an absolutely amazing Mediterranean itinerary for you. The first 18 months will be spent in the Balearics, giving you access to Ibiza, Mallorca, Menorca and Formentera. From there, we'll be moving to the south of France for a season, giving you access to the likes of Boulogne-sur-Mer, Corsica, Sardinia within easy cruising, Saint-Tropez, Monaco, Italian Riviera, back to Mallorca for another year, and in the final year of the program, you'll be heading to the south of Italy to the iconic Amalfi coast. Now, at the end of the program, the vessel is sold and the money is divided back between the owners, and that means you should be looking for a 50 to 60% return on that initial £560,000. Overall, it's a really cost-effective way to own and enjoy a vessel. It's about half the cost of chartering. It is a literal fraction of the cost of buying outright, but all of the enjoyment. And in fact, even easier with your crew, with your yacht manager. This is the simplest way to enjoy cruising on a boat of this level. So if you're interested in learning more about shared ownership and want to get on the water for 2027, the link below to our website, please get in contact. We'd be delighted to show you on board a Y72 and answer any questions you might have.